want to do something for the issues of the individual, or for the issues of the children, or for the issues happening in the family, or the issues happening in the nation or in the world, the one and the only way is just to introduce the inner world, nothing else. There are no shortcuts other than this. In many ways we can introduce. There need not be only a single way. There are multiple ways to taste the inner world. So today we are having an opportunity to taste the inner world in these 3 hours, already few minutes gone. If you are ready, I am ready to travel with you to the inner world. Together we will travel. Of course, I already started. I am already living in my inner world. It's easy for me to take you. I was also struggling once upon a time. I was thinking that only the outer world is everything. Suddenly a kind of wisdom came to me, thanks to the Divine. Hey, what are you doing? The Divine told me one day, what are you doing here? Do you think only this outer world which you see and experience is the only thing? Come on, you are something else, I will show you. God showed me. God showed me the inner world. When? 24 years before. I have 24 years experience in my inner world. You can use my experience. I am authentic in that. I am expert also. If you don't do one path, I will take you to another path. Somehow you must reach to the inner world. That's my only intention. I have no other intention to be in Springfield. On the way when we are traveling with Becky was asking, this is a state capital. Are you interested to visit that? I said, I am not at all interested. I have seen many state capital in my own country. Please do not stop the car there. Probably I can look at sitting in the car. Yeah, it was like a temple. Look like a temple. Inside story is different. I have seen many state capitals. I am not interested at all. I am interested in inner capital. I am not condemning anything. I respect everything. I don't want to waste my time in 1001 unwanted things, unwanted to me, because time is very short for me. I have to meet thousands and thousands of people around the world and create them as leaders. That's my only intention. I am traveling, creating leaders who can show the inner world. There are many leaders existing in the world, but I am searching for leaders who can show the people to the inner world. Already there. Becky is a leader, Ulla Peterson is another leader, Wendy is the leader, and Karen is sitting here, she is the leader. I respect them. You're doing a great job. But it's not enough for Springfield. Create more leaders. I will support you. We need more leaders of this kind to balance the external world, so-called leaders. So-called. It's enough we have of them. I am proud to speak in the land of Abraham Lincoln is a true leader, as I know. So that's why I'm rushing from one place to another. 2.5 months tour plan this year for United States of America. I'm just looking at the leadership qualities of the people. By looking at them, I'm picking them. I'm encouraging them. Please come on. Be expert of showing the inner world to the people. Train them to walk in.